Ward number 28, 26, aye. Ward number 27, aye. Ward number 28, aye.
I, Sri Mittal Dhananjay Sobrekar, having been elected as a member of the Corporation of the City of Karachi, do swear in the name of God, upon that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will duly and faithfully, to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of my office as councillor without fear of error or affection or ill will.
Ward
I,
number
Sylvester Fernandes, having been elected as a member of the Corporation of the City of Karachi, do swear in the name of God solemnly, affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will duly and faithfully, to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment, perform the duty of my office as councillor with fear, favor, or affection.
Ward number 30, aye.
I, Mrs. Sandra Maria Lapunia, having been elected as a member of the Corporation of the City of Panchal, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will duly and faithfully, to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of my office as a councillor without fear of favour or affection or ill will. Thank you.
I proceed with the next part of the agenda, which is of the mayor of the corporation. As on the last date of filing of nominations for the post of mayor of the corporation of the city of Karachi, two sets of nominations were received. Both the sets of nominations were from Sri Rohit Joe Mansara. The first set of nomination was proposed by Sri Shubham Gopal Chodankar. Second set of nomination was proposed by Sri Sanjeev S. Naik. Both nominations have been found valid, and there are no other nominations for the post of mayor. I therefore hereby declare Sri Rohit Joe Mansara as the mayor of the corporation of the city of Karachi. Next point of the agenda is election of the deputy mayor of the corporation. On the last date of nomination, two sets of nomination forms were received for the post of deputy mayor of the corporation of the city of Karachi. Both the sets of nominations were from Sri Masan Ashok Apshikar. The first set of nomination was proposed by Shubham Gopal Chodankar, whereas the second set of nomination was proposed by Sanjeev S. Naik. Since no other nominations were filed for the post of Deputy Mayor, I hereby declare Sri Vasant Ashok Astikar as elected to the post of Deputy Mayor of the Corporation of the City of Bangalore. I now propose to conduct the election of the consultative committee. We have received names of the following councillors as members of the standing committee: Sri Rohit Jo Mansara, Sri Vittal T. Chopadekar, Shubham T. Chodankar, Carolina Paul, Asmita Kerkar, and Prasad P. Amolkar. The proposal has been forwarded by Uday P. Matkar and has been seconded by Bengo Sylvester Lorena. As there is no other candidate and no other submissions, the standing committee stands elected. Public Works Committee. The following names have been proposed by Shubham C. Chodankar for Public Works Committee: Uday P. Matkar, Bengo Sylvester Lorena, Subhada R. Sidgaonkar, Loren S. Tyre, Aditi Chopadekar, Dennis Edward Francis George. The names have been seconded by Srimati Carolina Paul. The committee stands elected. Health and Market Committee. The following names have been proposed by Vittal G. Chopadekar as members of the Health and Market Committee: Sri Pramay P. Mainkar, Yuvraj F. Fernandez, Karan Y. Parekh, Narsiva C. Morajkar, Sanjeev S. Naik, and Sylvester Fernandez. The names have been seconded by Prasad Amolkar, and the members stand elected. Women's and Child Welfare Committee. The following names have been proposed by Loren S. Tyre: Diksha Mainkar, Barsha H. Chettiye, Shayani S. Chopadekar, Ranjal P. Naik, Manisha Mangerkar, and Sandra Maria Lakuni. The names have been seconded by Subhadra R. Sidgaonkar and stand elected. I would now like to welcome the Mayor-elect. Kindly step forward. On behalf of the Corporation of the City of Palpi, I welcome you to I now call upon the Deputy Mayor-elect.
सगळं असते रँकिंग वाईज की आम्ही एक 2 वर्षां काम करून बरीच पयर हाज्या आणि अशा भागात की आता एकट्याला जाऊन सगळे बरे काम करून हे जे आमचे स्वप्न आमचे जगाचे आमचं मॅन्युफॅक्चर असतो ते सगळे आम्ही काम करतात सगळ्या एकट्या जाऊन काम करूया या कामात ही सिटी म्हणजे सुनील दिसता एका संस्कृत करता आमच्या कमिशनरान गेल्या क्षेत्रात काम केले तसे आमचे टेक्निकल सेक्शन आम्ही आमचे कामगार जे काम करताना दिसतात त्यांना काउंटरी करतात याचा हरकत मिळेल आता फुल सपोर्ट वेटर असतो डेप्युटी मेयर असतो आणि परत एकदा सगळ्यांकडे मागता की एकट्या जाऊन आम्ही काम करूया पणजेच्या बऱ्यामध्ये थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
We have among us the Honorable Mr. Sarvani, who was and we like to
Tiadinha. Abang, ini
Thank you.